Okay, this is going to show you how to turn your review requests off. What you're going to need to do is log into your Event Hawk, and then you're going to go to Automations, select Campaigns up at the top, and then you're going to want to click on the blue words, number 99 review requests. And then up here at the top, there is a Publish button. When it's published, that means that they're going to go out as long as you're integrated. So you're going to click on that, turn it to draft, and this will put it into draft mode. Once it's in draft mode, they will no longer go out to your customers until you put it back into published. So you just need to go to Automations, Campaigns, click on Published, put it into draft, and that will stop your review request from going out.